that. somebody cut some grass down here at the Ballfield, which is good. I'll fly the Tiny Hawk. I don't have to worry about losing it up in there. I'll be able to see it a lot easier. Another hot day. I'm just trying to get a flight in with this QwinOut FPV-X4. Every time I set the controller off, this thing starts beeping. Alright. So, just trying to practice up with this thing a little bit. I really need to get an extra couple batteries for it, because you only get like maybe a 4 or 5 minute flight time. And then it's back to charging, and I've got nowhere to charge it down here, so I just have to wait till I get back to the queue and charge it. Now, I would take it up to the Ballfield up there, but there's just too many people. And I'm afraid if I got the headset on, and somebody will come across in the Ballfield, and I don't want to hit somebody with one of these drones. Because this right here will definitely hurt somebody. Well, that'll be all for this flight. Hopefully soon I can get a couple more batteries for this thing and get some more practice in. I'm going to practice with the Tiny Hawk E-Max 2. I've got a few batteries for it, but it's not really big enough to carry an extra camera, and the camera that's on board it doesn't have DVR, so I can't really do the recording with it. It's just mainly for it's like a beginner FPV into acro and trying to get used to it. And this one I haven't really figured out all the controls of what acro is, and I really want to practice with acro on it and get used to it before I go. I don't want to tear this one up, because this one here is close to $400, and I don't want to damage it just yet, because I've only got one more set of propellers. And I'll have to buy some spare props. So yeah, at least I come back down and get another flight in today. Didn't have nothing else going on, so good day to fly. Never know what the weather will be tomorrow. Probably raining. Alright folks, alright, bye.